Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in your Microsoft Excel. So while you are on your Excel sheet and you encounter the clipboard error, then let's go quick into the process. First is we need to close all instances of Excel in your Windows. So before we can do that is you need to save all your documents in your Microsoft Excel. Just simply click on this save icon from here, and then you need to make sure that all of your files has been saved. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Task Manager Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. Maximize it. Then here simply search for Excel. Now you'll find Microsoft Excel or any instances of your Microsoft Excel from here. Simply make a right click and you have to select End Task. So this is how you can completely close any instances of Microsoft Excel on your Windows. And after that, just simply open your Excel again and see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we need to simply restart Excel. On how we can do that, simply open your Excel. And let's say, for example, if you are on this document on your Microsoft Excel, just simply close Excel and then open it again. By that, you are going to restart the Excel. By simply opening it and then closing it, you can fix the issue. But if in some cases that it didn't fix your issue, move to the next methods. Open Microsoft Excel again. Then here you have to click on this File tab. Then here you have to click on this Open tab, especially for the Excel sheet that you are doing or the document. Then click on this Browse option. Then look for the Excel document or worksheet that you are having an error with, where the clipboard error. Click on that. Then you have to click on this drop-down arrow right here in this Open. And you'll find this option, Open and Repair. Click on that. And Excel can perform checks while opening the workbook and attempt to repair any corruption it detects or extra adjust the data, formulas, and values from the workbook. So you have to click on the Repair button. And it will state, Excel was able to open the file by repairing or removing the unreadable content. Click on Close. And for the next method is we can also disable some add-ins, Excel add-ins, because in some cases, they are the reason for that. So click on the File tab, which is the very first tab right here at the top left corner. Scroll down and you'll find this More option on the left pane. Click on Options. Then here in the list of options for the Excel options, you'll find add-ins, this one. Then you'll find Manage from here. Click on this drop-down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on Go. Then here you need to simply disable the add-ins. If this is checked in your case, you can just simply uncheck this add-ins. Make sure that you don't enable any add-ins. Then you have to click on OK. And just simply try to see for the file if the problem has been fixed. Then we can also clear the Windows clipboard history. The clipboard history for your Windows. Okay, so for that and how we can clear the clipboard history is you just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Clipboard Settings. Click on it. Make sure that clipboard history is enabled on your case, and then you just have to simply delete the history from here, or you can directly press Windows key plus V key on your keyboard and you'll find your clipboard history from here that will state Clear Clipboard History. Then just go ahead and click on that to clear the clipboard history, and after that you just need to open your Excel sheet again and see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.